Good morning, student. Welcome back to your online science class. After the long holidays, student, first of all, wish you all a happy New Year 2021. I hope you are all well at your home and well at your home. I hope you are all completed your exercises after the half yearly examination. Student, after half yearly examination, as you know, I have completed two chapters, chapter number 8 and chapter number 9. And few days ago, I have started the new chapter, that is the force, energy and simple machine. Okay. In force, energy and simple machine, that is the chapter number 10. It's a very long chapter, student. So, first of all, in your unit test second or class test, I will ask the question from these 2-3 chapters. I will send the syllabus also, but try to understand about and clear the concept about the chapter number 8 and chapter number 9 and chapter number 10. In the last previous classes, I have not completed, started the simple machines and kinds of simple machines. Simple machines and kind of simple machines. So simple machines, in previous classes I have completed about the lever 3 times according the arrangement of the effort, fulcrum and load. First class, second class and third class. Now and inclined plane and wedge, and one more, that is wheel and axle. Now today I will going to start the new topic of this chapter, that is the pulley. Pulley is also types of the simple machine. Simple machines are the tools that makes our work easier, faster and take less of effort and take less of the time also. Means it prevent our time, our effort both, and make our work easier, faster. So open your chapter number 10 and topic pulley. Note to student, today is the 11th of the January 2021, class 5th, science. PU pulley. Open pulley. Student, pulley is generally a kind of wheel and axle. A kind of wheel and axle. Wheel and axle that is combined with a rope. That is combined with a rope. You know, student, in your village you can see the ghirni. This type of the structure generally used in the well for the pulling the bucket from the river full of the water. This is the grooves found in the pulley. And okay, this is the, suppose In this, pulley are joined with the a rod. So we can pull of water, bucket of water from the well. So this is the rope. We do a port. This is the fulcrum, FULCRUM, and this is the load. Okay, you know, student, this is a when fulcrum is between. Okay, when fulcrum is between the load and a port, this is the first class lever. But this is not a lever, this is a pulley, because in pulley there is wheel and axle, wheel and this is the axle are joined and which are combined with the rope. This is the rope. Okay, this is the rope. So in wheel and in the pulley, student, generally there is a simple pulley. This is the load. A pulley is an effort can be applied on the direction and the load can be moved in the other direction. When we apply the force in the opposite direction, the load will also move in their same direction. Okay, so it can also move object to place that is hard to reach. It is very important. Suppose for the lifting the transformer from land to the height, generally pulleys, there are two pulleys are used for the lifting the transformer to, okay, lifting the transformer or lifting the heavy loads from the ground and from to the higher, okay. So generally pulleys are used for the lifting the heavy wood. You know, this is generally used in the flag poles. Flag poles for the hoisting the flags. When we pull the rope, the flags will goes upside, and when you stretch the rope, the flag will open and hoist. So, and this is the pulley which is joined to the poles for hoisting the flags. Okay, and cloth lines and curtain strings. Curtain strings. Okay, cloth line, CLOTHESLINE. Generally these pulleys are used in these things for the movement of the things or object. Okay, so pulley and a effort can be applied on one direction and a load can be moved in the other direction. Okay, just opposite. And I am going to explain about the screw. The next Screw generally look like a nail. Look like a nail. This is the nail. But they have grooves which are found in the inclined circle. Okay. Grooves, 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 grooves. Its grooves are called threads. Threads. Okay. It has winding edge called thread. Winding. EBGE. Okay. It helps to move the nails from lower to higher region. For lift the object from lower to higher region. Okay. Move from lower position to higher. Move lower position to higher position. Okay. And it is also used for the joining of two things also. Okay. It is also used for joining two horizontal things. Joining two horizontal objects or things. Okay. So screw is also used to joining two things to each other. Okay. And a screw is actually an inclined plane wound around a rod. A inclined plane wound around a rod. It is an inclined plane wound around a rod. Okay. It is surrounded on the rod. This is inclined plane. It is generally used in the jack. You can see in the cars, in the heavy motors, jack is used for the lifting the body of the car or the heavy truck for the changing their wheels. Okay, for changing their wheels. So car or other heavy objects work on the principle of screw. Jack are used on the principle of screw. We can lift the heavy trucks with the very less of the effort. Revolving the stools and chair, a jar lid, a drill. Revolving chair, jar lid, revolving chair, stool, jar lid, a drill, a bolt, a drill. Okay, a drill, a light bulb, bottle caps. You know, suppose this is a bottle. There is so many lines are given inside the cap. For which purpose? For the movement. Move to the mouth of the jar for the closing the lid and opening the lid. So these are all example of the screw. Okay, all these the work on the screw. Okay, you can see the different kinds of the examples and their diagram in the textbook. Okay, you can see. You can make a model of a screw on the nail. Take a plain nail and wrap a triangle shaped of the paper around the nails. You can make a screw. You can make a screw. Okay. You can wrap around the nail and make the screw. These are given an activity in your textbook. You can read 1 minute about the pulley and about the screw. Student. You can read. Just read, student. Read, student. Read. Okay, I hope student you are all read out these two topics about the Boolean screw. Very important topic. Now student, I am going to explain the method column of this chapter. So all of you open. I am also going to take the book. Open student page number 111. Concept check. First, merge the columns. Okay, A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So match the column. Write down directly in the book. Don't write in the copy. First, bottle opener. So student, this is the C, second class lever. First C. Write some in the bigger size. First, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. First C. Chisel. Student, chisel generally used by the woodcutter, and this is the wedge. Write down chisel, page number 109, given the wedge. So wedge is where? E, second E. Wood plank, this is the inclined plane F. Watches, watches is a gear. B. Bottle caps, bottle caps is a type of screw. A. And cloth lines, this is used in the pulley. So write down these types of answer in your book. Now, write down the key terms also and learn this before the starting of the exercise. Okay, write down homework. Write down keywords of chapter 10 in your fair and learn it. This is chapter number 9. Force, energy and simple machine, chapter number 9. Thank you student, have a nice day. I hope you are all cooperate to me. Okay, have a good day student.